Hey guys, this is how to receive money on Payoneer. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide. So I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the get paid on the left side of the screen, and from there just simply go for the receiving accounts. And after that guys, just simply go ahead and choose your business countries, and from there you're going to be providing an ID and answer some questions to proceed. And after that, once it is set up, guys, just simply go to the request a payment tab. And after that, just simply select the client that you have. And if you don't have your client yet, you should be able to add that client over there. And from there, just simply provide the information about your client. And from there, just simply provide the amount that you want to request, and you can attach an invoice, and Payoneer will email your client. And from there guys, remember that payments can be made through credit card, bank transfer, PayPal, or direct bank payment. So it will be depending on your client. And from there, it will take up to 5 business days, or you can use the Pioneer card for faster access. And if you don't know, that Pioneer has 190 countries available and 70 currencies to withdraw money to your bank, and the fees will be depending on the payment method that the client used, and the client will decide who pay the fee before payment. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.